When you're talking about like building up, if you're a young person and you're trying to buy a home and then maybe buy a duplex, then maybe buy a small apartment complex, there are tax advantages of real estate. You can buy and trade into a larger property doing something called a tax-deferred exchange.
Please
And
explain that.
so that's a tax code that allows you to take your proceeds and roll it into another property and defer the taxes that you owe on that from the gain in the value of the asset. And I've seen some people grow immense amounts of wealth utilizing that tax code. He knew all about the code and was able to build on his wealth partly because of his understanding of taxes. So it's extremely important. And it's totally above board. Instead of paying taxes on that gain, you can take that full 750 and buy a larger building or a different type of real estate. And it works across all food groups of real estate. So, for instance, I've got a client who owns probably $30 to $40 million of commercial real estate. And he was an engineer that bought a duplex and then bought a fourplex and then bought an 8 and a 16 and a 32 and kept going. And so taking advantage of things like that. Now, also, the other thing I want to mention about real estate is the timing of it.